Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X80 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You have a faint sound along with this pop-up, so we can capture a long screenshot or share this option. A long screenshot will be accessible in content that can be scrolled down, like settings as an example. But once you captured your screenshot, you can find it in your Photos application. There we go. And you want to click on the library and screenshots. You can see it right over here. So that's the screenshot that I have just captured. So anyway, that is how you can capture a screenshot and also where you can find it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.